Hi guys, it's Dr. Borthwick here. I thought I'd record a couple of wee videos just using the PowerPoints here, the slides here, just to sort of go over a few things. I sort of think we're reaching the point where we're starting doing slightly more complicated things in National 5, and this may help or it may not. So use it as you will. There are YouTube videos within these slides that you can use as well. So what we're looking at here, we're going to do a quick overcap of writing normal formula using valencies. This is something you did in third year and you should have come across this. So we're looking particularly on covalent compounds, but they're also obviously writing ionic formula as well. So just to quickly recap on what covalent bond, it's a shared pair of electrons between two atoms. In this case, it's the two outer electrons. Okay, so then you would write a line there that would represent, that line represents the bond, the pair of electrons. Okay, and that's very badly drawn, but that's as good as you're going to get. And then definition of a covalent bond, you come across this before, is one pair of shared outer electrons between two non-metal atoms. Now we are going to be looking at ionic formula here as well. So obviously it's just to do with covalent in this case, but just sort of warms you up about what the bonds are. So in this case, just to remind yourself here, if you have HCl, you've still got a pair of electrons being shared here, but you've still got the chloride other 6 electrons here in 3 pairs. Okay, now we're going to focus this assignment about writing formula. Okay, so just to recap a bit about molecules, remember molecules have only got covalent bonds because they've only got non-metals in them. We are going to be looking at other ones as well. So this table here, you'll recognise it from last year from S3. Using your data booklet, your page 6 of your data booklet, that's that mini little periodic table you've got there. You can work out the number of outer electrons because obviously electron arrangement always starts 2, something, something. The last number is the outer electrons. So we'll go over the first one here. For instance, oxygen. You look up oxygen. It's have electron arrangement 2, 6. So therefore it has 6 outer electrons. But how many are unpaired? Well, you think about oxygen. How many are unpaired? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you've got 2 unpaired here. So therefore, how many bonds can it form? It can form 2. This second column here is going to be the same. These 2 last columns are always going to have the same numbers in them. Okay. So just to recap what valencies are, the answer to the next, so try that table without, there is not a copy of it in the slide, in the worksheet, it's just for you to recap. So check your answers are on the next slide. So recap what valencies are. Valencies are just the number of bonds that each element can form. So what I've said here is the next few slides are all revision, okay? All the way up to about slide 17. There are 2 ways of writing formulas. I've given you both. I've given you a wee video on both. If you like doing the ARM way, that's fine. Do it the ARM way. If you like doing it the other way, you can do the crossover. So quick recap in the ARM way. What you do, when I write phosphorus chloride, phosphorus has a valency of 3, so it has 3 arms. 3 bonds can form. Chlorine can only form 1 bond. Each of these bonds must be filled. So you have 3 chlorines to every 1 phosphorus. So capital P, Cl, and it's always lower script 3, showing you've got 3 chlorines. Okay. Same idea if you were going to do the other way, the crossover way. There is a demonstration here of how to do that. I'm just going to stop there because 5 minutes is up, but I will continue in the next video.